Hello, good evening. My name is Fabio Andres Hernandez. I am a student of the Level 2 English course and I am going to make the video presentation. My family is my wife and my dog. My wife is name is Juliana and my dog his name is Mia. My wife is tall with brown skin, black eyes and dark hair. She is an environmental engineer. She is very cheerful and sociable. She is wearing a black blouse and hair is up. I like her smile and calmness. My dog is small. Her fur is yellow and she has a long whisker and eyebrows. She wears a blue and purple harness. She is very affectionate and sociable. I enjoy that she is playful. I dislike that she runs around a lot. My wife is the sitting in the dining room, smiling at the camera. My dog is standing in the dining room, looking up with her mouth open. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.